think one of the most important things is seeing growth, okay? Whether that be in your job, in your life, in yourself, or in crypto. These are some of the biggest things, or one of the biggest things that I think should be paid attention to. And one of the coins that has continued to grow the most during this bear market cycle has been Cardano. And I want to talk to you guys about what I mean. But first, before I get into this, if you haven't already, do show your support here for the ClearCryptos channel. It's been growing like crazy. Definitely show your support. Tons of content available for you guys every single day. That way you guys can, stay updated if you hit that subscribe button and hit that little bell. But the growth in Cardano this year has been nothing but astounding. Okay. If we take a look back at Cardano earlier this year, when, the chain didn't really have much going on, there wasn't much happening. There was 2.66 million holders. Okay. So obviously still a very large number of people believing in the future of Cardano, but we have seen substantial growth over the course of this year. So if we take a look now, and including recently, the amount of growth has just been unprecedented. We now currently, as of November 13th, sit at 3.67 million individual wallets of Cardano. Okay. This is a growth of over 1 million wallets. So over, what would that be? Over 20%? Yeah. Over 20% over the course of the year as far as growth goes. This is unprecedented. Okay. And we're talking about a time where, price has done nothing but gone down, right? We've seen that across all of crypto. Cardano is no stranger to this happening. But a big part of this is, I think, based on the growth that Cardano has done as a chain. So we know that back in September, the Vassal hard fork was implemented, which improved scalability, improved the costs. It made it easier for devs to create smart contracts, dApps, all these sorts of things for the chain. So Cardano now is arguably at a better state than it was to begin the year. And people are starting to take notice of this, right? We know that there's a lot of chains out there that have some issues, but Cardano seems to solve these issues, right? Again, because of the things that I mentioned, the scalability, the cost, the ease of development, all these sorts of things help to set Cardano up for the future, for the long term. And as we look forward to, what crypto is going to become, ecosystems, which I think I've talked about before here on the channel, I talk about it a ton on my channel. Ecosystems are the things that are going to survive and thrive well through this bear market into the next bull market cycle. Cardano has set itself up very, very well moving forward. And that, again, one of the biggest metrics is on-chain growth. So not only has the number of wallets continued to grow, the number of stake coins has continued to grow. The amount of on-chain activity has continued to grow. The amount of NFT transactions has continued to grow. All these metrics are showing that Cardano, or with Cardano, growth is prevalent, and it's not stopping as of right now. Now, obviously, this is something to monitor and watch as we continue to move forward. But again, it's important to highlight this growth because, again, stuff that is doing this in these times, these uncertain times, those are the things that are going to perform well in the future. Okay. Now, as always, this is not financial advice. This is just something that I'm seeing in the market and wanted to make you guys aware of. I watch Cardano often. I talk about it every single day on my channel. I think it's important to pay attention to these things that are going on because we could see some very interesting things playing out as time continues to move forward. But as always, appreciate you guys stopping in, checking out the channel. If you guys haven't already, do show your support for the ClearCryptos channel. Hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell. Again, you can stay updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. And there is videos, live streams, shorts, you name it. There's tons and tons of stuff on here coming to you every single day because that's what we want to do. Obviously, keep you guys updated and informed because then again, always you can keep luck on your side just like me. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I really hope to see you in the next one. Take care.